Alright, this video is actually only for one person, and I'm actually glowing right now. Hold on. Looks like I had a halo on my head. Do I look cool now? Alright, so this video is for one person. It's for my friend Ryan, who can't tune his guitar by ear. He mainly plays down-tuned, and he can't drop tune. He can't, tune down to D because he's stupid. So, I'm just going to show him a few easy ways of how I down tune by ear. Right now I'm actually in drop D, so I'm going to tune up. Now, the way you know you're in drop D is if when you play a power chord, it sounds like this. Sounds really bad. I mean, it's kind of like, sounds kind of emo depressing. Now, that's what you kind of want for a drop tuning to sound. But the way you get it to sound normal is instead of playing like a power chord shape like this, you play it with like a bar almost, and you go, and that's where you get the clarity from the, so the like, damn that river. I can't really play the song. Or On a Plane by Nirvana. So you're never gonna play in drop D like a power chord like this. You'll play it like, so like them bones. Probably play that wrong. So now we're gonna tune up to, I guess, a standard tuning. So you're gonna just kind of, oh, I did it first try. No, I did not do it first try. Kind of in that area. Okay, now we're too high. Alright, so now that we're in standard, I'm gonna show you how to get down. So when I was first starting off playing guitar, I mean, I still am a really big Nirvana fan, but I wanted to learn how to play All Apologies because it's my favorite song on In Utero. You could check the ranking Utero songs right here, and it's like S tier, for me at least. So when I first started off, I thought you play it like this. Now the reason I was playing here is because it sounded good. It sounds, right? The song's in drop D. So the tabs are saying go from 9 to 12, so. See, it doesn't even sound good. So like, what the heck? The way you play it, that's not the way you play it at all. This sounds like shit. Not knowing it's played in drop D. So then I moved it up to here. And even though it didn't sound like the record, it still sounded better than what this was. So if you know how to play All Apologies, the best way to drop tune is play the song up here, tune down. Now it sounds like the record. And when you play it up here where I was playing before, it sounds like shit. And another Nirvana song to know if you're playing in drop D the right way, On a Plane, like I said before. Might not be in drop D actually. There we go. Alright, so another song is obviously Heart Shaped Box. There is power chords in the song, but the intro, there is no power chord in songs. So you're gonna play the song, obviously. Holy, okay, hold on, let's do that again. I did it, first try. Nothing happened. All right, so that's how you know, because like and again, obviously the, one finger, by the way, one finger. Ryan. Now, again, way to know if you're not in standard is to play an all-shaped power chord. Does not sound good. But, actually, there is one song where you kind of play power chord short, There is one song that you could play a power chord shape, kind of. It's not the traditional power chord, you skip a string, so A and G, so then they use that on 1979. I played that wrong too, I bet, so. I can't play guitar too well, I play bass better, but like this song, it's Be Quiet and Drive, I think it's like, or my own summer. You know, wow.